Hello and welcome once again back at German Check. I hope you had a great week so far and up for some new vocabulary here. The topic this time will be on the grain, different types of grain. And since a lot of grain is almost the same looking, I pointed it out this time by also translating it to English. So you will now know which grain exactly I mean here by showing those pictures. I really did the work here and looked up the exact looking pictures of grain. So the pictures that you see are really the stuff that you will find on a field. So again, enjoy the ride through all this German vocabulary, and of course, be advised that I also show you the plural forms of those words represented by the number of objects, obviously, in a slide. Have fun, viel Spaß euch dabei. Der Weizen, der Roggen, die Gerste, der Dinkel, der Buchweizen, die Hirse, der Hafer, das Getreide, das Mehl, die Sonnenblume, die Sonnenblumen, der Sonnenblumenkern, die Sonnenblumenkerne, der Mais, der Reis, die Quinoa, der Mohn. Alles klar. All right then. I hope you learned again something new here on the German vocabulary, stuff that might be coming in handy for you when you shop or cook in your kitchen or with friends. Now you know how to address these products correctly. If you're new to this channel, you of course should subscribe here to this one so you don't miss out any lessons that are going to come. And of course, if you already did miss some videos here, check it out here or here, I guess, on the info button, some other lessons that I had previously on other vocabularies of our different topics. So catch up. Other than that, I wish you a great week and see you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Auf Wiedersehen. Macht's gut.